80. Welcome to sunny Colorado.
You're filming me.
Uh-huh.
Fuck.
Come on.
Fuck. Let's see. Okay, so 52 weeks a year times 2 days. So 52 times 2 is 104. So out of 300, we're gonna have to change that because it's supposed to have 300 days of sunlight a year. Look, you can see the fucking rain blowing in. Fortunately, it's only windy and rainy. Normally, it's just windy or rainy. Today, though, for a special Memorial Day weekend, we've got wind and rain. And then we had the tornado warning. And let's see, then I dropped the drain plug and I drained 2 gallons of oil in the driveway. Besides that, everything's great. My asshole's not even waterproof anymore. I need to wear plastic pants these days. Is that to keep moisture in or out? Maybe I could just fucking walk around in scuba gear. Scuba gear, and I'll have to carry an anchor or some sort of ballast, because when it's really, really, really fucking windy, yeah, I can hardly wait till Tuesday when I have to go back to work, because luckily I've had a 4-day weekend. Does it rain? If it rains every fucking day, does that count as the weekend? Evidently it does. You know, it's only cloudy as I get near the time clock at work. It's sunny until I punch out, and then it's like, well, I hope you have rocks in your pocket, because if you don't, they're gonna have to break out the sail and your GPS so the search party can find you, because the fucking wind's gonna blow you down the street. And over the horizon, to grandmother's house we go. Just getting ready to unplug the rain gutters. I was going to clean them out, but it's been shitty weather for 6 months. So now that it's shitty weather and the house is flooding, I'm going to go ahead and work on it now. Alright, so somehow when the water's running, it makes me have to pee. Maybe it's the beer. I doubt it, because God knows the fucking water's running. Do you notice the chair? That was when we used to sit outside in the sun. Fortunately, though, we've got it cabled down. See the cable on the right-hand side? That's going to keep it from blowing down the friggin' street. Now, here's this over here, just beyond the little freight scale. That's my jacket. I put it out on Friday because it got really, really wet. Because it was raining like hell. Let's see, does hell rain? Okay. Raining like hell, well, you know, I guess it's God's free truck wash out here, so yeah, I'm hoping he's going to give me the spot-free rinse. It'll be a handful of dirt on the windshield, I think, is what we normally get. Just unplugged the rain gutters again. I would have unclogged them, shit, in the fall, but it was raining every day, so now I guess I'll just do it in the fucking rain every time, because, and see these lawn tractors? I'm gonna sell them and buy a little rowboat. I can just see it. Oh wait, where's my ground rod? I can, as it turns out, back in '09, we used to water when we thought we needed to, but now we're raising seaweed. We got a friggin' seaweed farm out here. This is the dumbass fence. Fence these dumbasses from walking through the mud hole, because God knows we got a mud hole. We're gonna start wearing clogs with little stilts on the bottom. You know, and why wouldn't we? Because otherwise, with a real shoe, your feet don't drain. You just get wet, then you get the rot. Who doesn't enjoy a little rot once in a while, really?
Okay, wait.
I guess it's, well, you can hear the air raid sirens. This is sunny Colorado. We just had the hailstorm of the, I was going to say year, but I guess it's of the week, because, you know, now the air raid sirens, I figure that's It's probably a storm warning, but the first thing in my mind was that either the Japanese are attacking or it's the friggin' weekend. Because God knows, if I'm on work, it's like 75, 74, the perfect temperature to be outside naked. But no, all of a sudden, I got some time off. Here we go again. Right. Now I got nothing to bitch about. Trip the fucking dog. I would if I could, but goddamn. Now, earlier today we had the fucking air raid sirens, and I swear to God, I thought the Japanese were attacking, and I thought, fuck, we built their steel plants. That's counterproductive. But I'm okay. Everything's okay. It must have been a horrible NATO. And, wait, that's North American Treaty Organization. Never mind. All right. Tornado warning. And, well, I swear to God, I moved my pickup, I brought it back, but I moved it over there because it was fucking hailstorm out here, so, you know. Don't worry, we'll get all this cleaned up. It's a windstorm. And, so this is why we live in Colorado. If you'll step back there, you can get the scenario with this field out here. Jets. Now we got some military jets, which I like. As long as they're my military, I'm alright. So, there you go. Now, unfortunately, I've been drinking since the fucking hailstorm and the storm warning, and the dog was trying to remind me, in case I couldn't hear the sirens, that he was gonna, you know, for my safety, of course. Hey, you better lay down. Now, fuck, I've been drinking since then. What the fuck am I gonna get done now? What the fuck? So it's a trick. God's trick. Now I'm drunk and I give a shit about 80% of the shit, so fuck, you know. I mean, a lot of it's legit and I got no complaints. Really. I'm good. Pretty much.